मैं आपको मज़े की चीज़ दिखाऊँ, ये अपनी तरफ से चाइनीज़ सोल्जर बना हुआ है. Where are you from? Where are you from? China? Shiraz.
Yeah.
So what are you waiting for? This is the military
There's a event that's going on at Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit. What kind of event is this?
Well, it is an art event, but I'm just wearing this for fun to go around there.
Oh, it's not a Halloween dress, right? It's a military dress, right?
But it can be considered.
But you are from Malaysia.
Yes.
Ah, you're Malaysia, and this is not a Malaysian military dress.
No,
This is just a normal one.
this one is World War II U.S. Army.
Ah, US Army.
Yes.
लो भाई साहब, एक मिनट आपको बताता हूँ. मलेशिया में US आर्मी का ये मेरा वाइट ड्रेस पहन के घूम रहा है, और यहाँ पे वो सामने फैनहाइट है, वहाँ पे कोई शायद शो हो रहा है, तो उसमें इस तरह की शायद ड्रेस पहनना है. थैंक यू ब्रदर. व्हाट इज योर नेम? व्हाट इज योर नेम?
Oh, Dao Ming.
Doming. Thank you, Doming.
You're welcome.
One. Oh, thank you. Nice to see you.
Yeah,
Thank
nice
you.
to see you.
Thank you.
All right. Bye.